Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to maintain operating concern in SAP. So we will use the SAP path here, SAP IMG. Then after controlling, go to the profitability analysis, then a structure here. Then under define operating concern, you need to check on the maintain operating concern here. So here we need to enter our operating concern which we created previously. Then after click on create here, we need to maintain the operating concern currency here, INR, and the fiscal year variant. So if you want to add, like previously I have added few here, so click on change here. Okay, so here you can see the list of the custom characteristics. You can select as per your requirement. Okay, then you need to activate it. Then this color will be changed here. You can see for the country. It will take some time to activate. Okay, now you can see it's activated here. Then click on save here. Then press back. In attributes, we need to update the operating currency. Data structure here. Okay, we need to save it again. Then go to the environment. You can see the status over here for the cross client and the client specific. So we need to activate both of the status. So first we will go through the cross client part. Click on activate here. Save it, then activate it. Let me check there. So we'll go to the attributes here. You can see I have updated the INR. Then go to the environment. You can see the status as a green. So whenever you will be adding any like custom characteristics here or characteristics, we need to activate this icon. So by this way you can maintain the operating concern for your controlling area or operating concern. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.